Today we're gonna make slime. So I'm gonna get the ingredients: glue, borax, a cup. I'm getting a plastic one because I don't want to get the other ones bad. A little one for the borax and water, and a cup of water. The first thing we're gonna do is get the water and the plastic cup. Just pour like this amount. I'm not gonna do that much. And on this one, gonna get some. This little bit. You don't want that much. Okay. So start with this one. Actually, we need a stick, so let me get it. On second thought, I'm just gonna use a toothpick because I cannot find the sticks, and I'm gonna use blue food coloring. It's optional, but like mine is red, and I don't want it like this, so it might be like in a purplish. So like I have this one, so it won't work that much. But then later I'm gonna show you with the normal glue, the white one. You just open it. Whoa, wait. I need to put it down first. This is gonna take a while, so like I'm gonna pause it for now. Now that glue is kind of like going down now, just open it. Wait a second. Sorry about that. It was the train that always comes like like at 8:32 or something. Just open it carefully that doesn't go on your table. Just squeeze it down on the water. It's gonna take a while now. Okay, now that we have that, it's gonna look like this. Okay, now let's get this and get the borax. Have it in a little bag. We're gonna get a spoon and just have like right now it's like a little bit, so I just put like this amount, like not all of it. Actually, don't put that much. And we're gonna do it with this one. Alright. Make sure that it's all good. Like no messes. About messes, don't follow what I just did right now. Do it carefully. Now that's all like this. Just put that aside and bring this. By this, you do need to mix it. So like getting a little toothpick. Wait, let's see if it's gonna work. Seriously, I need something bigger. Never find something big. So I'm using a straw because it could actually work. And like mix it all until it's all well combined. Anyway, guys, tomorrow I'm getting a whiteboard. Don't judge, I'm this very little bit nerdy, but like when it looks like this, you're gonna put the borax, makes it so good. Just put a little bit down here. Just mix it up. Let's put a little bit more. Okay, that much. See how it's getting good now? isn't that good. Let's put a little bit more. Let's see if this time it works. Maybe on Christmas I'm getting a camera. So yeah. Maybe I'm just not that sure. But I want to get the new one, Canon something. I really want to get it. And yes, I am sick. Don't leave this hanging around. You have this just like that. Let's see if this works this time. Like it takes time, so it's just a little bit more water. Borax. Oh my god, I'm big mess. Don't put it over much because it's like a huge mess that happens. And if you put too much water, just put water. Water just on me. Okay, now we can mix it around. Starting to get on a slimy way. Like you can literally. Oh my god, I freaking forgot about the food color. I keep forgetting about it. Put one little dot. Actually, the water turned blue, not the slime. It's okay. Wait. Sorry. So like now that you see that's kind of good, not that good. Just reach in for it. Of course it's gonna be all slimy because it's slime gooey. Oh shoot. I'll clean that later. I swear you feel so bad right now, but like seriously, you're gonna get used to it. So if it sticks on your hand, then put more borax. Like seriously, it's sticking to my hand. Shoot, seriously, a lot. Mix it more. You guys have Musically? Oh my god. My friend is so obsessed with it. I'm like, YouTube's better like than Musically. Musically is okay, but like YouTube's better. I'm not sure for you guys, but I think YouTube's better than Musically. Comment down below actually. And a slime. It's starting to good. Starting to get good. Oh, not that much actually. Look how slimy it got right now. Let's just leave it somewhere. Not stick. For now. Put something towards me. Now that your hands are all clean, try to get the slime. Mine is kind of like bad because like it got stuck to that. I'll just get some water, the borax here. Start putting it there, like put some water, but not that much. Here you go, your slime. On the next video, you're gonna see something cool. I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna. Now I play teacher with my friends, and like now that I'm gonna get like a whiteboard, we could do it. And like I have this little hand pointer. So cool. Why did I just touch my hair? Now that's so dry and good. Look how it is. Like seriously, it's all dry. And look how good it is. Even my other hand's dry. I recommend you to get like a little. Oh, it's getting a bit sticky. I recommend you, like, if you want it to like be like this all the time, get a Ziploc bag. Put the water, not that much, not a lot of this one.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches. So just get a borax bag, put the water, not that much. Then put this. Then put on that bag inside another one. If in case if it falls, it's gonna fall on the other one. So look how good this is. It doesn't look good as the other ones. I used to have like this huge one, but like it got all bad. You know, like bad. So I recommend you to keep this water and don't stain it blue. So cool. So on the next video, I'm gonna do something more better. And so you're gonna see how you need to put it on the Ziploc bag. So like my aunt got 2 little bags. I use these. So this is how you need to do it. Get the bag. It's not that big, like my hand doesn't fit that much. Like it's okay. It's in your butt. See how it popped like. Hey, anyway, take this off from my. I pour this. See, not that much. And for this, if you want to play for it for a while, just play for it. But then, like, if it's like this, just put it in. And it gets all good and stuff, so it looks like that. Take all the air off. Like, I recommend you guys to take the air off. Just close it good. I still have some glue on my hand. And then I'm gonna show you on the other episode. I'm gonna show you on the other video. I'm gonna show you something really cool that my friend showed me once. And it's so cool. Oh my god! Now I feel like I can't touch. Oh, actually, I can. So you put this in, and this part you just fold it, like fold it. I want to fold them like this. Oh, good. Just like that. So just an expose, it's all good. So see, and it's safe. This is how you do slime, and you can use any type of borax, the powder one and the liquid one. So I'm gonna save this one, and I'm gonna do another video, something else. Bye guys.